natural makeup look, you apply your primer, apply your foundation, and you use your concealer to shade lighter than your foundation to highlight your T-zone. Make sure you blend it very well to all the places you want to highlight. Use your powder to set. It all depends on how you want the makeup to look. You can use your banana, your translucent powder, or better still use your powder shade. Define your eyebrows, apply your nude eyeshadow like the coffee brown or the black or beige color. Highlight your nose with your contour. Make sure you're giving yourself the sculpture and the shadows you want for you to have like the beautiful natural look you want to achieve. Then use your blush on your cheek and the places like your nose where you have to apply your blush. Set your face with your setting spray, your moisturizing setting spray, so it can blend all the products perfectly into the skin. Line your lips and use your lip gloss. So because it is a natural look does not mean you don't apply makeup on your face. It means you apply makeup that is of nude color, right? So let us know where you are watching this video from. Kindly share with your friends. What video do you think we should do for you? Let us know and click on the link on the bio. Go to the website and shop. Let us know what you think about this video and let us know where you are watching from. Thank you for watching and we hope you love this video. Don't forget to share, don't forget to like and drop your comment. Bye.